Oh, hey, dude. Yeah, no, I was just sorry, I was in my own thoughts before you came here. I'm just thinking about the other night when we were out. You remember the fucking bar? We're drinking, we're having a good time. It was great. It was fantastic. It was full of, it was full of drinks and beers, and it was just great. It was wonderful. I was enjoying myself. And then we kept going, and we moved on to another place, and we moved on to another place, another place, another place. We're on High Street. We went to that bar, and it was just one of those things where, like, I can't remember at what point it was, what exact bar it was, but my brain like just switched off, you know? Like it just a little flick, a little light, it just went boop, and everything just went dark in my brain. And I was thinking, like, at that point, I was happier earlier in the night when I, had my first couple of beers, and I was like, "Does the beer bring me happiness?" Is that the thing that I want that will put me on the same level as everyone else? Or is that the thing that took me out of the same level as everyone else? And I was looking around, and everyone's still smiling, having fun, drinking, and I see them drinking. I'm like, okay, well, I'll have another drink then, because they're all smiling, they're all enjoying themselves this, right? And it's just, it just didn't get better, but everyone else was still enjoying themselves, still smiling, still having a good time, and I was sitting there going, "You pieces of fucking shit! Like, why aren't I at your level? Why aren't I smiling? Why aren't I happy?" Well, I was smiling, but it wasn't a real smile. It was something in me that was trying to pretend like I cared about the entire evening, about the people there, but I didn't at all. And I think that might make me sound like a bit of a psychopath, but do you ever just not care? Do you ever just feel like you don't care, that you'd rather just be at home under a blanket? And I just feel like I don't know if I should replace everyone in my life with better people, or if I should be the one replaced. If I should be the one that's no longer here, and there's someone else that everyone else I know knows instead. Would it be better if I wasn't here? Did you just eat the salt? Did you get me one?
Sorry.
I'm
Sorry,
no.
no. Come back. No, I was just listening and